Hi, very good afternoon. Dear clients, it's Raman from Long River Realty, Sector 82A, Gurugram. Today I'm going to represent you a very brand new project and very good brand, means you can say branded developer in Gurgaon. Name is a Conscient. So let me speak about Conscient. Conscient has started in 1975, first of their project in construction. So until now they have delivered about 5 to 10 projects in Gurgaon, including residential and commercial. Let me explain you the model of Conscient Elara Insect Trading. They have launched a brand new project and it is bang on Narayanpur Road, just from NH8 only 1.5 kilometers. And you can see this project totally located on HSSIIDC site, that is a Haryana Shahri Industrial Infrastructure Corporation site. So there are many more projects as well. So in the neighborhood you can see there is a Shobha and Karma Lake land as well. So now let's come on the project. We have initially 5.5 acre area. In a 5.5 acre area we have a total 4 towers. The tower's height is a ground plus 35 and ground plus 34. The clubhouse size is 70,000 square feet and 70% open area. Each floor has 4 apartments, right? Then after that, I want to tell you, with the 4 apartments, the total, you can say the price is coming 15,000 rupees per square feet, all right? Then in a project, the size starts from 20,045 square feet and it goes around 2,745 square feet. So all are 3 BHK plus servant, then 3 BHK plus study servant, a large size. So this is a facade of a Conscient Elara Sector 80, the brand new project by Conscient, and it is a A-grade developer. They have a vast construction history. They have developed even on Golf Course Extension Road. Name is a Conscient Hines. Means they made a joint venture over there. That is one of the best quality. And in this project there is a no vehicular road. Every vehicle will come inside of the vicinity and it will go straightly down. There are visitor parking as well, right? Then their clubhouse is extraordinary. It's really beautiful, and you can find a very green area. And whole society is going to meet with the RCC construction, reinforcement concrete construction, and the construction partner is Ahluwalia Construction. They have a great history in construction, and some of their project is going to make by Shapoorji Pallonji. So let me show you now central apartment. We will show you the central apartment. So let me show you central apartment. So we just go to central apartment. That is a Elara. Alright. So first of all, we are just putting shoes over here. So now we are entering in a central flat of Elara. So see, it is a beautiful entrance. At the just entrance, once we enter, on the left hand side we have a servant room. That is the toilet as well inside. Then after that we have a nice balcony that's directly going to the kitchen as well. So they, for example, you have any servant, so servant come easily from this side to the kitchen, and you can close your door from the kitchen side. So this is the best thing as well. So after that we are in the house. We are entering over here. So on the entrance we have a nice living and dining. That is the project. You can say some quality, beautiful quality. We have a just entrance, and on entrance we have a nice living and dining. With a living and dining we have a balcony. It's a very spacious. You can see we have put some furniture inside, and it's a quite spacious, and it's a long as much as I can tell you how much it's a width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, it's approximately 6 feet width, and the longest as well about you can say it's a 40 feet longest balcony. So let's go in living and dining. So I'm going to explain you over here as well. So we are now moving inside of the facility. So let's go to first. We are entering in my kitchen. We have a nice kitchen over here. You can say, dear clients, it's a really nice kitchen. You are getting upper cabinets and lower cabinets in this kitchen, and you are not getting those appliances. You have a sink board as well over here, right? So let's go now on a bedroom. Straightly we are going, and we have a parlor room. For example, any of your friend, family, or anyone is coming in your house for meeting, so they can use this toilet separately. Then we have a first bedroom. I want to tell you second bedroom because there is someone already in first bedroom. This is second bedroom. You can say it's a kids bedroom because they have designed for kids, and this area is also study. Means if you have a kids, you can make for them. This is a study area. Then there is a one again almirah as well, wardrobe as well. Then with this room, again we have a balcony. That is again 5 feet, 8 feet, and long. You can say it's about 15 to 20 feet long as well. So we are going now entering in master bedroom. So see, this is the most beautiful. I can see very spacious as well. It's a quite spacious master bedroom, and in the master bedroom you can find again running balcony. That's coming from kids balcony to here. So let me show you again the balcony. That is the master bedroom, and it's a balcony which is attached with the kids room and your master bedroom. So you can have an eye on your kids as well. So that's a nice one. In this bedroom, you can see the space. First thing, and second, you are looking for furniture as well. But that is a just design. Furniture will not provide to you. You have to go in the market and find someone else. Please come. So this is again, those are wardrobes. So they design really beautiful wardrobe just for an idea. If you want to design wardrobes, you can design like this. So we have a then master toilet over here. So this is a really beautiful toilet. We are putting like a glass cupboard. Then we have a shower cubic. Everything you are getting, whichever you are seeing, they are providing. So we are entering in, the first bedroom. So before that there was someone else. Now it's empty. So on the entrance we have a wardrobe over here, right? Then we have again space with a bedroom. You have tables over there. You have tables over there. Please come and show the toilet for first bedroom. Any guest come in your home, you can give this room to them. So with a nice toilet, nice fittings, nice cubic, nice showers, and mirror, everything, railing, everything you are getting. So I want to tell you, I want to recommend you, if you are looking for an investment about 3 crore, so box price is like 3 CR. You can come and you can come in our office. My company name is Long River Realty. We are dedicated our registered channel partner with the all A-grade developers, and we will give you the best rate, best deals, and we have all documents with us like a RERA, GST, and MSME. We are registered channel partners. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, dear guys. Have a good day.